Hey everyone, welcome to Scenic Reel, your ultimate destination for hidden gems and breathtaking adventures. Today, we're about to take you on a journey to one of Central America's best-kept secrets, Honduras. From pristine beaches to vibrant culture, we've got the top 13 must-do experiences that will make you fall in love with this stunning country. Whether you're a beach lover, culture enthusiast, or foodie, there's something special here for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the magic of Honduras together. And hey, if you enjoy discovering new places as much as we do, make sure to hit subscribe, like this video, and join our Scenic Reel family for more epic travel stories and tips. Let's dive in. Number 13. The best beaches in Central America. Honduras boasts some of the most untouched and stunning beaches in the world. Roatán, part of the Bay Islands, often reminds visitors of 1950s Hawaii before tourism took over. West Bay Beach, with its sparkling turquoise waters, gentle palm trees, and soft white sand, consistently ranks among the world's top beaches. If you're into water sports, Half Moon Bay offers a peaceful spot for kayaking or paddleboarding, and you can even enjoy a sunset cocktail. For a more secluded experience, head to Camp Bay Beach, which remains largely undisturbed. Don't forget to check out Playa Negra on Guanaja Island, where volcanic rock turns the sand an unusual black, an eye-catching sight in the Caribbean. Number 12. Relax in natural hot springs. In the lush mountains of Gracias, western Honduras, there's a hidden treasure, a natural hot spring fed by a dormant volcano. Aguas Termales de Gracias is famed for its mineral-rich waters, thought to have healing properties. Locals flock here for relaxation and rejuvenation, soaking in the warm water surrounded by the sounds of the forest. Some people believe that a full moon bath intensifies the therapeutic effects, and many bring sacred stones or medicinal leaves to enhance their experience. Number 11. The vibrant chicken buses. The public transportation in Honduras is anything but ordinary. Hop onto a chicken bus, a colorful former school bus that's been transformed into a mobile work of art. These buses, known as pulperias, are decked out with vibrant LED lights, religious icons, celebrity photos, and even fire-breathing dragons. They don't follow a set timetable. Instead, the drivers honk their horns as they pass through towns. Besides passengers, these buses often carry live chickens, sacks of vegetables, and even household goods. The ride is an affordable 50 cents, making them a popular choice for locals. Number 10. The Garífuna and their dance. Along Honduras's Caribbean coast, you'll find the Garífuna, a lively and culturally rich community with their own language, music, and traditions. Their culture is celebrated as an intangible heritage by UNESCO. One of their most famous traditions is the punta dance, which is so fast-paced it's been called the world's fastest dance. The Garífuna follow a matriarchal society, where women pass down traditions and hold the family name. If you're invited to a Garífuna dinner, you're not just being served a meal, you're being welcomed into their family.
About the history of the dance group and the history of Garífuna. Garífuna people originate.
Number 9. The Dual Nationality Village. On the border between Honduras and El Salvador, there's a village that breaks all borders. La Encrucijada, the crossroads, is split into two, one side belongs to Honduras, and the other to El Salvador. However, the locals live without any sense of division. They use both currencies, speak both Spanish and local dialects, and some even attend school in one country in the morning and return home to the other in the afternoon. The village celebrates its unique situation with a No Borders festival, where everyone dances and celebrates together. Number 8. The ancient Maya city of Copán. Nestled in the western highlands near the Guatemalan border is Copán, a majestic and breathtaking Maya city that often takes a back seat to Tikal in Guatemala. Copán is renowned for its detailed stone carvings, hieroglyphic stairway, and well-preserved observatories. Though archaeologists haven't fully deciphered its messages, the site remains a testament to the advanced astronomy and religious practices of the Maya. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it offers a more serene and intimate experience compared to the more crowded ruins elsewhere in Central America. Number 7. Honduras's pioneering smoke-free zones. In a world-first move, Honduras banned smoking inside private homes if a non-smoker is present. Since 2011, people who smoke in their own homes are legally required to stay at least 6 feet away from non-smokers, even on balconies. This law has significantly reduced exposure to secondhand smoke, and many locals support it. It's now rare to see people smoking in public spaces, which gives cities like Tegucigalpa and San Pedro Sula a notably fresher atmosphere. Number 6. The Banana Republic Legacy. Honduras is often called the Banana Republic due to its long history of banana exports. But bananas are more than just an economic staple, they're woven into everyday life and culture. From fried plantains served with pork to grilled bananas sold in street markets, this fruit is a vital part of nearly every meal. Farmers in Honduras also make the most of the banana plant, using its leaves as food wrappers and feeding livestock with the peels. Number 5. Life in Tegucigalpa. Tegucigalpa, the capital of Honduras, is a lively fusion of history, culture, and daily hustle. You'll see women selling handmade tortillas, colorful buses weaving through chaotic traffic, and colonial buildings like the Iglesia de San Francisco, built in the 16th century. At night, the city shifts into a vibrant social scene, with rooftop bars and salsa music filling the cool evening air. It's a place that pulses with energy, both day and night. Number 4. A hidden gem in Central America. Honduras is full of natural beauty and hidden gems. For example, you can visit Little French Key, a private island resort off Roatán, where you can ride horses along the beach and unwind in rustic bungalows by sapphire waters. Pico Bonito National Park, stretching across 200 square miles, is a birdwatcher's paradise, home to over 400 species. And the Rio Platino Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers a pristine environment for explorers. Don't miss the Talib Caves, a vast limestone labyrinth, or Lake Yojoa, the country's largest freshwater lake, where you can enjoy freshly fried tilapia with bananas and coffee. Number 3. The most colorful festival week. Honduras is known for its vibrant and unique festivals. In June, Fiesta Juniana in San Pedro Sula lights up the streets with parades, live music, and a unique version of bullfighting. During Holy Week, the town of Comayagua creates elaborate alfombras, flower carpets, for a solemn procession. In La Esperanza, the people celebrate corn in every form at a festival where participants dress in corn husks and create corn-based dishes and sculptures. Number 2. Affordable cost of living. Living in Honduras, especially in Tegucigalpa, is incredibly budget-friendly. You can comfortably live on $300 to $450 a month, or even less in rural areas. Utilities cost between $60 to $80 monthly, and high-speed internet is priced around $25 to $35. Eating out is very affordable, with a hearty meal costing only a few dollars. Given these low costs, you can enjoy a relaxed, affordable lifestyle in one of Central America's most beautiful countries. Number 1. The best street food in Central America. Honduras is a food lover's dream. The national dish, baleada, is a soft flour tortilla filled with refried beans, cheese, and sour cream. It's so good, it's eaten at all times of the day. Another must-try dish is sopa de caracol, a sea snail soup simmered in coconut milk with potatoes and plantains. For meat lovers, carne asada, charcoal grilled beef with fried plantains, is a local favorite. Street markets in Tegucigalpa are filled with smoky aromas, lively music, and a festive atmosphere. And there you have it, 13 incredible things to do in Honduras that will make your heart skip a beat. From the stunning beaches of Roatán to the rich cultural traditions of the Garífuna, this country is truly a hidden gem in Central America. Whether you're a thrill seeker or someone looking to unwind in nature, Honduras has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Scenic Reel for more captivating travel tips, fascinating stories, and stunning destinations around the world. We'd love for you to join our growing community of explorers and adventure lovers. Drop a comment below if you've experienced the beauty of Honduras or if you have any questions about planning your next trip. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you on the next adventure.